Are you struggling with writing essays or want some tips on how to make your essays better?
Hi, my name is Hannah and I'm one of your student content shapers and I want to help you write the best essays.
The essay writing process can be broken down into 5 stages.
The foundation of any good essay is a solid essay plan.
Start by rereading the question, defining key terms, and understanding what the question is asking of you.
Next is research, which is finding academic literature, quotes or facts or anything that can help support your argument.
Good websites for further research include Find It at Birmingham, JSTOR, Google Scholar, and much more.
The first part of an essay is a brief introduction to clearly state your overall argument and set out key points. The main body is where you expand on your overall arguments and substantiate your points with valid sources.
Instead of being descriptive, try to be more analytical by disproving counter-arguments or comparing different academic opinions.
Finally, the purpose of the conclusion is to summarize the points you have made and link back to your overall argument. One of the most important parts of essay writing is proofreading and rewriting sentences.
This is a good opportunity to refer back to the marking criteria, cut down to be within the word limit, and make sure sources are referenced accurately.
I hope you have found this helpful and feel free to use the Academic Skills Centre to further improve on your essay writing skills. Comment down below if you have any tips of your own, and just remember that with essay writing, practice makes perfect.